Message unavailable on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for Instagram. So make sure that you have the latest version of the application. Now as you can see on the screen, there's this option of update, which means we do not have the latest version and we have the update. So we're going to tap on update and it will start updating it to its latest version. After that, go back and then you just have to tap on the settings of the device, and as you tap on settings of your device, scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps over here, and after that tap on the search bar and search for Instagram application over here. So it's not showing as I've typed in, so I'm going to just scroll down and search for Instagram manually over here. So here you can see the Instagram application. Tap on it and then tap on clear data at the bottom right corner. Then clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. So as you can see, it has toggled on the required options. So now just go back and tap on the Instagram message and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.